15 lakhs in Japan. International caregiver jobs now open. 80 plus candidates already placed. Visit us today to know more.
Kejinglang kanhun menteri ke Sorkar MDA2 hak arpuh nyaw tarik jemang arhaja arpun riu kalau menjur ya kejing terwa Pyntreikam ya ke Kyrdan ban Pyntreikam name board hakikali Ophisar ke Sorkar Jylla Meghalaya. Haba pentep ya kene sekilat pathai kubor hadin kejinglang ukon rot kia sang ma menteri rang ba ke Jylla ulaong. Na kejing ya merjingmut halor ki VIP menswa lawan ra ya ki standard operating procedure hak bayar day bat ki siren bat ki light bat ki weki benta ki bayar day bat ki kali Sorkar. Ulaong, bamenta hak kejing ya day bat ketenat transport kalau wan ra ya ki benta ki bala ai bor ban Pyntreikam ya ki name board Katkum ki Kyrdan. Kini ki Kyrdan kin day ya ki Ophisar Sorkar ya ki bor an bat ki wei.
Regulation of the use of name boards on official vehicles. As you recall that we had come out with an amendment on an SOP, where we had mentioned about the different sirens and lights and other VIP culture that was something that we were all concerned about. In that, we had come out with an order saying that the transport department will define on who can be allowed to use name boards and not. And based on that decision, the transport department today had given the list of different individuals, rather positions, on who can use these name boards and who cannot, and what will be the format of the name boards. So therefore, there has to be a standard format as per designation, which will be now used, and that list was today approved, and the list is there with us, but it's too long for me to mention all the details. But mostly it is the different officials and the different positions at the government level and in the judiciary, mostly, and in the administration. So these are the three main areas which, and of course, certain statutory positions from the central government perspective.
Habatin, pej bahaki kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam don ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan ra shapi lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya